Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanतीर्थ विद्यालय पाथरी रोड परभणी. Friends, today we have to see the science of standard 5th. In this book we are in the 5th chapter. The name of the chapter is family values. Okay, see, in this chapter we have seen different topics. The name of the topic: role in decision making, effect of honest and dishonest behavior, honesty in public life, advantages of cooperation. Advantages of cooperation. All these topics we have studied in the last lecture. Today we have to see the next topic. The name of the topic is tolerance. त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये सहिष्णू वृत्ती असं म्हणतो. आणि थोडक्यात या टॉलरन्सचा अर्थ जर सांगायचा झाला विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो तर ॲडजस्टमेंट, थोडंफार लवचिकता ठेवून आपण वागणं, थोड्या गोष्टीसाठी खूप राग आणि व्यक्त करणं किंवा रागामध्ये आणखी काही वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी करणं, या गोष्टी अवॉइड करण्यासाठी आपल्यामध्ये काय असली पाहिजे? सहिष्णू वृत्ती असली पाहिजे. ओके, इन दॅट नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज द जनरल इक्वॅलिटी. जेंडर इक्वॅलिटी. जेंडर इक्वॅलिटीमध्ये विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो मुलगा मुलगी एक समान, स्त्री पुरुष समानता. जेंडर इक्वॅलिटी म्हणजे काय? स्त्री पुरुष समानता, मुलगा मुलगी एक समान, दोघांनाही शिकवू छान. हे स्लोगन जे आहे, हे वाक्य जे आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यामध्ये जेंडर इक्वॅलिटी, स्त्री आणि पुरुष यांना कोणत्याही क्षेत्रामध्ये समान अधिकार प्रदान करण्यासाठी हा जो टॉपिक आहे तो सुद्धा आपल्याला आज या ठिकाणी पाहायचा आहे. तर फर्स्ट टॉपिक दॅट इज टॉलरन्स. We all have some faults. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. We are not animal on the earth that is not totally fault free. Some of the faults are present in that. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. And when we discuss about these faults with our friends and family, they tell information or they discuss our faults, and with the help of their discussion we can improve our faults and make our good personality and improvement. We may not agree with each other every time. See, this is the most important topic. In any discussion, any competition, any discussion or any another topic, another matter, we may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes are agree but not every times. Sometimes there are disagreements even between friends also, because there is two friends and they have a different opinion on the same topic. If there is not tolerance between them, so there are disagreements in that friends also. At such times we must try to understand the points of views of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. On such occasion we must listen to the other person. In this way we learn to be tolerant. See friend, at such time, at a time of disagreement, we must try to understand the point of view of the other instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. So you have to think and discuss or think about the opinion of your friend also. Don't do like only I am is correct, you are wrong. So on the both the side you have to think on that point, and after that on such occasion we must listen to the other person. there is need to be an at such time you want to be a good listener and listen the opinion with your friend and family members. After that you can suggest to that one and develop self. Okay, next, in this way we learn to be tolerant. Respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad mindedness. Okay, tolerance has a specific significance in our country. People from various religions, creed, cultures and following different customs live here. See, there is a peoples in our country, they are different from one another in the religion, creeds, culture and other different topics. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad minded. Diversity can be preserved, though through tolerance diversity enrich our social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. We can solve problems in our environment by being broad minded. See, there need to become another if even though they are from different religion, different caste. After that you have not consult or take a point of view in the discussion like that. You have to come closer and help the peoples that need help. Okay, next, so friend, next topic is the gender equality. Stree Purush Samanta. Boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called a gender equality. Okay, boys and girls must respect one another. From the boy and girl there is not a small and big like this, both are same. Okay, boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friend we consider all of them to be our equals. Okay, because they are only our friends, they are not a small, they are not of a different caste, religion or boy, girl, all these topics. Okay, they are only our friends and they are equal to us. Okay, we must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow up. Okay, we must maintain this sense of equality as a citizens when we grow up. By developing this sense of equality, everyone get to learn and make progress. If you have learned all these things, if after that you can progress. If you are in the gender equality in that thing and think about that, so you can't progress. Okay, food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of men and women. For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. See, there are 5 basic needs of men and women. Okay, in that food, clothing, shelter, health and education. So there is need to be get all these in a equal proportion as boy and girl. Okay, men and women have equal right to facilities such as these. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunity of progress. Okay, prepare slogan on gender equality. मी मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला मुलगा मुलगी एक समान, दोघांनाही शिकवू छान, हे काय झालं, एक चांगल्या प्रकारचं स्लोगन झालं. अशा प्रकारची विविध वाक्य बनवून विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो तुम्ही जनसामान्यामध्ये जनजागृती करू शकता. अशा प्रकारे या ठिकाणी हा टॉपिक संपलेला आहे. बाकीचा पार्ट आता आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी थँक्यू. ओके.